Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Kartika Aulia, number 16 from 12 Science 6. Today I want to show you how to make a cabbage pizza, so keep on watching. First of all, cut the cabbage into a quarter and then clean it. After that, slice the cabbage thinly and put on the bowl. Second, grind the potato with a grinder. Please be careful and use the grinder. Third, on the other bowl, crack the eggs. Then add a salt and pepper. Stir slowly and pour into a bowl. Then mix well. Fourth, turn on the gas stove. Melt the butter. And then pour the dough into a pan. Don't forget to flat it out and wait for a while. Next, add a pasta sauce and apply it evenly. You can also slice the sausage and cheese and then put on the top. Cover the pan and cook over low heat for 20 minutes. After that, move to the plate. Last but not least, add a mayonnaise as a garnish. And then crop with knife as much as you want. A delicious and healthy cabbage pizza is ready to serve. Don't forget to try at your home. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Bye!